Hello and welcome to step 9. We open our file. In this step we are going to create a walkthrough. Therefore we switch in our top view. Switch in our view tab. Select here 3D view and walkthrough. And we start by creating a path. It's like drawing a 3D spline. Every single control point is going to be a keyframe which you can adjust easily. In our option bar we can activate perspective or deactivate it, and also change the offset of our camera from the levels. Now we start our walkthrough. We change the offset to 10 meters. First of all, click over here, move to the intersection, place it, change the height to 30 meters, move over here, place it, over here, change the height to 10 meters, over here. Now we change the height to 2 meters, place here, place it here. So that's it, click escape. And our walkthrough has been created. In our project browser we see a new category, walkthroughs. We can open that, click walkthrough. We see here a blank window. That's because the view range of our camera has not been adjusted yet. So we want to tile our windows. We use the WT shortcut and the ZA shortcut to fit our views. We select our walkthrough, click on edit walkthrough. Now we see here our camera. We can adjust the view range by clicking the blue point. Click it. Now our buildings are visible in our walkthrough. We adjust our window, select the blue points. We can modify our view by clicking the camera. Here we have a red dot. By clicking that, we can rotate our camera. Now we can make adjustments for all of our keyframes. In our contextual tab, we can click here, previous keyframe. Here we can set the camera view, select our red point, move our camera a little bit. We select another keyframe. And now we select another keyframe. We can also move our camera view a little bit up or down. So if we select now 3D view the camera and this red point, move it a little bit down. Select another keyframe. Now we select our first keyframe. Keyframe 1 is always our starting keyframe. Now we have also several possibilities to edit our walkthrough path. We switch in our front view in the 3D view, zoom in, and select in our options bar path. Here we can change our path, and we can also add or remove keyframes. We can also adjust the speed of our walkthrough. We click here 300. And here we can change the number of frames per second. And we can also speed up or speed down our walkthrough. We deactivate uniform speed. We put in here our keyframe 7, 0.5. At this point the camera will have half the speed. So we click OK. Close our 3D view and maximize our walkthrough. Now we want to view all of our masses with the VV shortcut. We change in our visibility and graphic overrides editor. We select here masses. Okay. Now we want to change our graphical style to shaded with edges. And we also like to activate the ambient occlusion. Switch over here. Activate ambient occlusion. Before we are going to preview, we show you how to export a walkthrough. Click on our application button and select here export, images and animation, select walkthrough. Here we can make some further adjustments. We can select the output length. We can select which frames should be exported, the frames rate, the dimensions, and the zoom. And we also have the possibility to select here rendering, which means we can also export a rendered walkthrough. Now we are ready to preview our walkthrough. We click the borders of our walkthrough and click on Edit Walkthrough. And now we click on Play. So that's it for step 9, and in step 10 we will show you some tricks how to render in Revit architecture.